regular sessions. So about EDI and claims, I am going to explain all this, and after that I will show you what we are going to see.
Mm-hmm.
So these are our contents. Okay, total we have 13 modules. So
Okay.
that is introduction to BA. In this we are going to study business analyst overview and origin, what is business analysis and who is a business analyst, types of IT companies, IT hierarchy, stakeholders and types of stakeholders. I'm going to explain you SPOC, scope and scope creep, and business analyst prerequisites, and the roles and responsibilities of a BA, and what are the do's and don'ts of a BA. Then problems faced by a BA with stakeholder in gathering requirements, and what are the stages in BA. Next, we will see with SDLC process. Here, I'm going to explain you SDLC phases, that is enterprise planning, designing phase, development phase, testing phase, installation phase, maintenance phase, and the role of a BA in each and every phase. Okay. Then after that, we are going to see with SDLC methods and models. So in this, we are going to learn sequential methodology, iterative methodology, evolutionary methodology, that is a spiral model, and what are the prototypes and mock-ups, and what are the different types of prototypes. And after that, what is the difference between a method and a model. Then we are going to learn about 6 knowledge areas. In this, we are going to learn about enterprise analysis, that is how to do Pareto analysis, fishbone analysis, SWOT analysis, gap analysis, feasibility study, business case writing. And after that, we are going to see with requirement planning and management.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, we are going to see with requirement elicitation or gathering. Here, we are going to learn 10 requirement gathering techniques, that is brainstorming, document analysis, prototyping, reverse engineering, focus groups, JAR sessions, workshops, observations, questionnaires, and interviews.
Okay.
And for requirement communication, how we are going to do requirement communication, what are the tools we are going to use, that I am going to explain, and how we are going to do requirement documentation, and how we are going to do solution assessment and validation. And module 5 comes with requirements and can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So module 5 is requirements and types, guidelines for good requirements, what are the parameters of a good requirement, what is requirement gathering, how to conduct requirement gathering sessions and different phases, and mistakes and challenges associated with requirement gathering. And module 6 is related to documentation. So here we are going to see with types of documents prepared by a BA and their standards, that is how to prepare a SRS document and how to prepare a BRD document, how to prepare a SOW, what are the SOW contents, and what is RTM. Everything I am going to explain you.
Mm-hmm.
And next, we are going to see with OOPS and MVC architecture, like what is OOPS and what are the elements of OOPS, and what is the application of OOPS, and what is MVC architecture, and what is 2-tier and 3-tier architecture. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And module number 8 is related to UML diagrams. So here we are going to see with UML introduction and diagrams, that is use case diagrams, what are the relationships in use case diagrams, what is extend and include functions, and what are the contents of use case description document, what are sequence diagrams, and what are activity diagrams, and software used for preparing UML diagrams, documentation, and prototypes. And module number 9 is related to BPM, RUP, and RAD. That is what is BPM, what is RAP, and what are the documents prepared in RUP, and what is RAD, that is rapid application development and stages in RAD. And module number 10 is related to software servers and different types of servers, that is what is a development server and what is a UAT server, how to do UAT testing, and important points to be followed while doing UAT testing, and what is a production server and the role of a BA in each server. So I am going to explain you about the UAT here in module number 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And module number 11 is software testing and areas of testing. That is what is testing and areas of testing, what are the types of testing, what is introduction to QA methodology, role of a BA in testing, creating test plans, how to create test cases and different testing methods, and what are the functional and regression testing, what is white box and black box testing, what is positive and negative testing, what is GUI and unit testing, and what is user acceptance testing, that is UAT.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And module number 12 is change management process. Here we are going to learn with change management process, reasons for requirement changes, what is a change request, what is a change of scope, what are acceptable changes, how to handle a change request, and what are the important points to be considered while handling a change request. And module number 13 is related to project management system, that is how project is initiated, what is software bidding process, basic knowledge of project like BA proportion to project, what are the project types and what are the types of payments, what is mails management, and what are the project standards, and what are timesheets and budget allocation, what are Gantt charts, and what are the project milestones and pricing, what is the company approach on project, and reasons for project failure, and risk analysis and management. So these are the 13 modules which I am going to cover different concepts in this.
Okay.
So as you people are saying, today is 10th.
Yeah.
So still we have 1 week of time, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So you people want me to complete the entire syllabus in 1 week, or how you are planning?
Will it be possible for you to complete it within a week?
So before that, I want to know, like, are you aware of any of these topics which I have shown you?
Well, in my master's, I've done the UML diagrams, just the basics of UML diagram.
Okay.
And other than that, nothing.
Okay.
No, me too.
Okay. So what we can do is,
I also have knowledge on the SWOT analysis, what you told, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats.
yeah.
So that's what a bit knowledge about this SWOT analysis.
So as you are saying that you both got the job, so can we take what are the topics that are important to you for your job?
Actually, yes.
Or you want me to teach the entire 13 modules?
If we have knowledge in everything, that would be great.
Okay.
But the thing is, in these SDLC models, we can go through the waterfall model and the agile model. But the agile model is not mentioned here.
Here I have mentioned, right? That is, you can see here agile methodology or XP.
Okay. So, can you you can explain everything whatever you can, but the most important thing is that module 2 is important for us, the whole thing.
Yeah, if I want to say which is going to help you in real time is, that is module number 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 8. After that 9, 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 11th
so,
one.
Yeah, module number 7 is not required. That is BPM, RUP and RAD. It is an advanced topic which I am covering. And after that, module number 9, that is module number 9 and module number 7.
7, it is not required, but the business process modeling and the documents prepared in RUP. You can
that
just
I can
explain us in brief.
Yeah,
Overview.
so if you, I can explain you that. Module number 7 is not required, I guess. OOPS and MVC architecture. This is purely technical. Okay, UML diagrams we can cover, and BPM, RUP, RAD, okay, I can cover. And module number 10 and 11 also I can cover. And 12. And do you want me to explain module number 13 also?
13 is like timesheets. Yes, we need to have an idea, right?
Okay. So timesheets, budget allocation, these are small topics. If you want, I can explain you.
Please.
So,
okay.
Yeah. So we will do one thing. Can you stretch yourself on Saturday and Sunday?
Yeah, sure.
Why? Because if you are sitting on Saturday and Sunday for 3 hours or 4 hours, I can do one thing. I can give the explanation of healthcare, whatever EDI transactions are there. For one and a half hour, I can explain you all the EDI transactions and how claim process will be going on. What is the important in insurance?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
We have no problem.
And after that, I can explain you all the topics. So before that, if you are joining, see, right now I have a batch where I completed 5 topics, first 5 topics. So that is tomorrow we are going to have 6th topic, that is documentation. So what I suggest is, as you got already a job, So you attend from module number 6 tomorrow. That is,
Okay.
as per IST, I am saying that is morning 6 to 7. There is a batch. So I am starting module number 6. That is documentation part. So simultaneously, what we are going to do is tomorrow is Tuesday here. Tuesday we are going to complete 6th, and Wednesday we are going to complete 7th, and Thursday and Friday we are going to complete module number 9. Okay. And Saturday and Sunday I am going to complete on Saturday. I am going to complete from module number 1 to module number 5 by taking 3 or 3.5 hours.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. And on Sunday, 1 or 1.5 hour, we can have a session on insurance, whatever the EDI transactions you want. So after that again, I can cover up the rest of the things. Is it okay like this?
Yeah, no problem. We can continue with the 6th module.
Yeah. So what I suggest is like as per IST I am saying that is 6 a.m. tomorrow. Tomorrow will be 11th. That is 11th July 6 a.m. your time. Now what is the time there?
It's 2:25 p.m.
Okay,
in the afternoon.
2:25 p.m. in the sense that is afternoon 23, 24.
Yeah.
So now it is 12. 12 in the means 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours in the sense for you it will be 6 in the sense 8:30 p.m. I guess.
Yeah, 8:30 p.m.
So 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Okay.
So is it possible for you to attend at 8:30 to 9:30 p.m.?
Yeah.
Or you can do one thing. See, there are 2 batches going on. Morning, you can have module number 6, and from in the evening, that is in the night at 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. We are going to start from 3rd module.
Okay.
So this will be better if you are going to provide your 2 hours of time. That is 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and in the evening 10:30 in the sense like it is I guess for you it will be
12.
Yeah, 12 in the afternoon. Now what is the time? You said 12, huh?
Now it is 2:30, 2:26.
Now it is 2:26 in the sense that is 1 o'clock, 1 I guess. 1 to 2 I guess.
Okay, for y'all it is from 10 to 11.
Daily 2 classes we can complete as per your specified timetable. Is that okay? And I am going to provide you a video recording and soft copy of notes also. Don't get panic. Like whenever if you are unable to understand something in future also you can revise that videos. So you will get that option.
Okay, sure. That would be very helpful for us. Yeah.
Yeah, I am going to provide you each and everything like soft copy of notes I am going to provide you, and these templates also I am going to provide you, that whatever the BRD, SRS and FRS documents we are making, that templates also I am going to provide you, and I am going to provide you a recording video sessions also, so that if I am going in a, if you think that I am going in a fast way, because for you time is not there, so what you can do is on Saturday and Sunday or whenever you feel free, you can check that videos even after joining also.
Yeah, okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will do one thing. I will just talk with the management and I will send you the links. That is morning there will be one link, and in the evening there will be one more link. So 2 links I am going to send you. So after that you can join separately.
Okay.
After that is like on Saturdays and Sundays?
No.
Yeah, no. For morning there will be one link, and for evening there will be one link.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I will be sending 2 links. So before that, our management will get back to you, and just you provide your WhatsApp number and your email IDs to them. They will forward it to me so that I can send the link. And before starting the class, before 5 minutes, I will make a WhatsApp message to join on the class so that you can join.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So apart from this, do you have any more doubts?
No, we are good.
Yeah, I'm good too.